Hello, Greg Nikolai here with another episode of We've Got You Covered. The weeks are seeming to blend together at this point, and most states are well on their way to opening up, slowly and safely. Hey, everybody, I think the key word here is slowly. It's just taking longer than we thought to get back into business. Hopefully, we'll be getting back quicker than later, but right now it's still an extended delay, extended period of not being in business. And because of that, things are heating up on the legislation side and the litigation side, and we'll give you an update on that. So on legislation, we've got states like New York, Massachusetts, Ohio, New Jersey, Louisiana, all presenting bills or in the process of evaluating bills to force insurance companies to pay business interruption claims. On the litigation front, we are seeing groups banding together to have more firepower, groups like arts and theater groups, chef groups representing the restaurants. They are all presenting litigation as well as other individuals. So there's a lot of activity going on right now. We'll be watching all of it. If any of it breaks, we'll let you know how that affects you and whether or not you have any opportunities with your insurance carriers. But getting back to work is what's going to fix all of this. Hopefully that happens sooner rather than later. Moving over to insurance, we'll give you an update on each category as we always been. First of all, on the business insurance, we continue to get a premium payment grace period of 90 days. So if you've got pressures or difficulty making premium payments, you can get an extra 90 days on your due dates for your billing. Make sure you reach out to your insurance carrier to get that done. Also, during this time period, insurance carriers cannot charge you penalties. They cannot charge you fees. One of the professionals in our office, account managers, recently saw a fee on one of our clients' extended billings, and she quickly and immediately pushed back on the premium finance company that was applying that, got it overturned, and got a credit for our client. So keep your eye out for any additional expenses. They are not allowed to do that. Also, reprice your policy. Carriers are allowing mid-term pricing reviews because your sales are different. Your payrolls are probably different. Your employee counts change. Make sure you get your policies repriced to reflect what your current risk and exposure is. And finally, as always, make sure you are making business interruption claims, even if they're just going to be denied, so that you're on record with the insurance carriers in case we get any breaks on the litigation or legislation side, and we want to go back and appeal these claims. For personal insurance, you're getting the same 90-day grace period on premium payments. Make sure you notify your insurance carrier if you need help on making a payment. And they are still using the usage discounts on the auto insurance. Make sure you're seeing that for April, May, and even further. As this extends, they should be giving you credits for additional months, maybe June, maybe July. Hopefully we don't need those when we get back to work, but in case we're not, you should be getting discounts on your policies for those. Some carriers are applying these discounts at renewal. Some carriers are applying them on the current billing. But all in all, they mostly are applying some sort of credit at some point in time on your policies. Life insurance, if you qualify for certain products, we have accelerated and simplified underwriting, simplified application process, one pager. Policies are getting issued in 1 to 2 weeks' time. Great time to get life insurance if it's on your to-do list. Health insurance, got a very exciting update here. First of all, you get a 60-day grace period on your premium payments with health insurance. If you're an employer and you need help with that, make sure you reach out to your insurance company. They can be extending their premium payment deadlines by 60 days. But the big one, and this is like to recognize and congratulate United Healthcare. They will be investing $1.5 billion back to their customers in the form of premium credit discounts on June billings, which will range between 5% and 20%. Reason being, obviously, all claims just about right now that are going on are COVID related. All other healthcare is on hold. It's very difficult to access healthcare providers for anything other than COVID. So as a result of a drop in usage, United Healthcare is providing credits back to their employers and employees in the form of premium billing discounts for the month of June. Maybe they'll even be able to extend that beyond if this continues. But that is a really great job and a great effort by United Healthcare and meaningful. So congratulations. I'd like to recognize them for their leadership in the health insurance industry. That's all we have this week. To our listeners, partners, and clients, thank you for tuning in. We'll eventually get back to normal. Just hang in there a little while longer. And don't forget, Madison has got you covered. Stay safe, everybody.